Hello and thank you for visiting the Advancing an Initial School Counselor, Social Worker/Adjustment Counselor License, or Psychologist License to Professional component of the Massachusetts Educator Licensure Series, often referred to as MALS. This presentation provides general information to Massachusetts educators interested in advancing their initial school guidance counselor, school social worker/school adjustment counselor, or school psychologist license to a professional license. Throughout this presentation, there will be references to finding additional information such as guides, forms, and other websites. You can find links to these resources within the overview located directly beneath this video. A professional license is valid for 5 calendar years. The clock is ticking regardless of employment status. A professional license is renewable for additional 5-year terms. Educators who have not satisfied the requirements to advance to the professional license may apply for an initial extension during their 5th year of employment under the initial license. If applicable, please visit the Extending an Initial Professional Support Personnel License component of MALS for additional information about obtaining an initial extension. Otherwise, let's begin an overview of advancing your initial license to a professional license. Requirements to advance any initial professional support personnel license covered in this presentation to a professional license include possession of the initial license in the same field and grade level of the professional license sought, and at least 3 full years of employment in the role of the initial license. In addition, completion of one of the multiple options is required for each specific license. We will cover how to document the first 2 requirements noted on this slide and discuss the completion of one of the following requirement for each license. An evaluator verifies the possession of an initial license in the same field as the professional license sought requirement met when applicants hold an initial license in the same field and grade level of the professional license sought. Otherwise, advancing would not apply. Let's talk about documenting the employment requirement. Applicants can verify this requirement through uploading the school-based employment verification/induction and mentoring form or a letter as noted on this slide. If any employment is less than full-time, then such letters or the form should state the full-time equivalency for each applicable time period of employment. Please be advised that in the role of your license is defined here as meaning from the date that your initial license for this field and grade level was issued. You can find the school-based employment verification/induction and mentoring form and information on how to upload documents through the links contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. Now let's cover the one of the following requirement for each license. For the Professional School Guidance Counselor or School Counselor license, one option is satisfied through 60 graduate credits earned through coursework that addresses the subject matter knowledge of these licenses. The second option is satisfied through possession of a valid certificate or license noted on this slide. With regards to the 60 graduate credit option, while that may seem like a significant requirement to satisfy, please keep in mind that most master's degrees, which is a requirement for the initial license, would typically include at least 36 credits. As for the Professional School Social Worker/School Adjustment Counselor license, though one of the following requirement can be satisfied through 60 graduate credits earned through coursework that addresses the subject matter knowledge of this license, or through possession of a valid certificate or license noted on this slide. The one of the following requirement for the Professional School Psychologist license can be satisfied through achieving a passing score on the National School Psychology Examination or through possession of a valid certificate or license noted on this slide. If applicable, please upload official graduate transcripts that include the registrar's signature verifying you have earned at least 60 credits of graduate credit through coursework that addresses the SMK of the professional license sought. Official catalog course descriptions may also be beneficial when it is not self-evident in course titles that coursework is applicable. Please note that coursework completed within the United States must be completed through a college or university accredited by a recognized organization. Applicants who completed graduate coursework outside of the United States through a college or university not accredited by a recognized organization should upload a course-by-course equivalency report made by a nationally recognized agency. You can find additional information about licensed subject matter knowledge, how to upload documents, recognized accrediting organizations, and nationally recognized agencies through links contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. If applicable, please upload a copy of your official test score report verifying a passing score on the National School Psychology Examination to document the option noted on this slide. Please note that Educational Testing Services administers the National School Psychology Exam. You can find information regarding the test through the link contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. As for one of the following options pertaining to possession of a valid credential, if relevant, please upload a copy of an applicable valid credential. You can find information about all applicable professional associations and credentials through links contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. Please keep the following in mind. A professional license is valid for 5 years. Educators employed under a professional license have a professional responsibility to renew the license every 5 years for employment in the role of the license in a public school or other setting where possession of the valid license is required by Massachusetts law. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Educator licensure in Massachusetts. Thank you also for being an educator or aspiring to become one. Your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. We hope this component of MELS has been helpful. Please visit other components of the series for additional information about Educator licensure. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the Licensure Call Center at 781-338-6600 or stop by and visit us in person at our walk-in service counter at 75 Pleasant Street, Malden, Mass.